Hello everyone, in this video, I will compare Anytype and Notion. Effective note-taking and organization tools are essential for productivity. Two popular platforms are Anytype and Notion. This offers unique feature tailors to different needs. Anytype offers a clean, intuitive interface for quick note-taking with synchronization across multiple devices. It supports real-time collaboration for sharing and editing notes. Its organizational features include tags, folders, and search functionality. It is available on iOS, Android, and web. Anytype also allows offline access to notes, ensuring you can edit them without an internet connection. Notion, on the other hand, combines notes, task, and project management into an all-in-one workspace. It allows users to create custom templates and workflows and embed rich media such as images and videos. Notion supports real-time collaboration with shared workspaces and offers robust organizational tools like nested pages, linked databases, and advanced searches. It is available on iOS, Android, and other platforms and on the web. Notion also integrates with other tools like G Drive, Slack, and Trello. For basic note-taking, Anytype is ideal due to its simplicity and quick note-taking capabilities. However, for a more comprehensive solution that includes project management and complex organizational needs, Notion is superior. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.